Kulish bun fibro te yo don nap dang yo pi ki bom yo jing tip habe de bat kane ka notification te kane ka long jing tip nam ta gitu ki ba appear ya ka MCS Mikla Civil Service Examination 2022-23 balalong hu sautrik November arjar apply te nang don biang sa nrup hu arngut ki candidate ki ban qualify mutba ki ba pass ya ka prelim bat ki ban post ya ka mains examination markidon ki ba file representation ten dala file pada ten nakaliang jong ka MPSC te kila review reassess biang ki omar answer sheet ten dala reassess biang ki sasyam ba kinang don biang ki ba pass ya ka cut off tingin puli kat kum kane ka notification dated Shillong 20 July arjar sau on receiving of representation from a candidate with regards to the question appearing on the Mikla Civil Service Examination 2022-23 held on 4th November 2023, the questions were placed before an expert for review. Based on the recommendation of the expert, the OMR answer sheet were reassessed and the candidate bearing the following roll number are declared to be successful. Tela don biang sa nrup arngut. In addition to result declared earlier, lada declare shuan kong te hadin benda ki check biang OMR answer sheet then kin yo biang sa nrup arngut. Date 15 December 2020. It may be noted that since confining the fresh selection to the appellants alone would be unfair, as other candidates may be deprived on account of ignorance, and hence, applying the doctrine of equality, all answer sheets were reassessed, and the instant list of successful candidates securing the cut-off mark has been arrived at. Then marba kidon ki ba file representation te andala file representation te ki syamba ki declare successful te nakaliang ka MPSC pada kilek no andala ada pa reassess te ki sngo ba ong ba kamsoi hab ban shu le tang kita ki ba file representation te ki ayu biang session ya baro tendala free la reassess lut ya baro te ki sayo biang kita ki additional list ki ba pass biang kita ki rup arngut te gini ki rule number additional list with rule number te sa check ki rule number jong la de kan mau video nam don akan kalis nak ini ndrup arngut silan gron spo arpo lepo sapo sanpo ndrupo plus kena arlong ndrupo ar ngut kiba nang qualify ndru saulai pran reun lai sipo hadu ar sau pra sau not te gitu kiba leit thoh nam ta kana exam MCS sa check ki number jong la de apiso ba pi pass te sa check yo don number jong pi the program for the written examination mains is tentatively fixed with effect from 23rd September 2024. The mains examination rule at the fixed katarik can be apply September arjar arpsau. All the best namta itu kiba la qualify na yaka prelim bat man point namta ka mains te selek bahan namta ka ni. Tengah tanggini kijing betipi kublesubun.